Hi friends, welcome to Stitchin Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie. Inspired by Wind River Canyon in Wyoming, Wing and a Prayer Designs created this earthy quilt, Tonga Canyon. When completed, this quilt will measure 108 by 108. Now what's exciting about this quilt, and if you've signed up for this block of the month, which will start here in September 2024. We are offering this as a pre-cut program. So what that means to you, our customer, is that it is, or Stitchin Heaven has basically measured and done all the cutting for you. All you have to do is sew and go. So it's our pre-cut programs have been wonderful. Our customers are loving them. And so this is another one of our pre-cut programs. So let's talk about what you'll be receiving in your first month block of the month. So you'll have your pattern, you'll have all of your pre-cut fabrics, and look how nice we've labeled the fabrics for you. They line up with your pattern, so very easy to make this block of the month by having it as a pre-cut. When you open up your pattern, the first thing you'll see is pictures of each block that you'll be creating each month. You'll have a fabric key down at the bottom with a grayscale that you'll see in your pattern, so you'll be able to match that grayscale up with the actual colors of your fabric. Now, this quilt does use the Tonga Canyon Batik collection from Timeless Treasures. So again, some very high quality cotton batiks will be used for this quilt. As you see, you've got your earthy tones, you've got your browns, your grays that represent the rock shale canyon itself. You've got your greens, your sage greens, your pine greens. So just an absolute beautiful quilt, and the colors of the fabrics are just amazing. The thing that I do like about the Wing and a Prayer pattern is that it is very easy to follow. So your first page will have your general instructions just to how to make different parts of your quilt. And then it jumps right into your first block one. And again, you've got your grayscale that you'll be able to match up with your fabric key. Your pre-cut fabrics will match your fabric block one, month one pattern, so it makes it very easy to follow along. And so that is your pattern there. Then you'll also have a welcome letter. So in your welcome letter, we've just got some general information for you. We've got information that tells when this will bill out, what time of the month. This is, again, a 12-month program. And also want to remind you that with your block of the month, we not only provide your fabrics for your quilt top, but you'll have your border fabrics, your binding, and best of all, your backing will come with it as well. When you look inside your welcome letter, we have several information codes that you can get general information from. We've got a fabric key code, a newsletter, and how to update your billing and address information. Last but not least, we do have a Facebook link that we do like to encourage our customers to sign up for that Facebook group. It's a great community to where you can share your tips and tricks and share your photos of the creation of this beautiful quilt. It's so much fun to see how others have progressed and see the pictures they upload, and so I know they like to see your pictures as well. On the back of your welcome letter, we have some general store hour information and our customer service hours. We've got a great customer service team that's here to answer any questions. If you weren't able to get your questions answered in your Facebook group, our team is waiting for any calls and any concerns or questions that you have. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. Now, I do want to say, if for some reason you were not able to sign up because this quilt closed and you weren't able to get in on that registration, please log in to stitchinheaven.com and click on our Block of the Month program tab, and there you'll see a wonderful list of other Block of the Month programs that we offer. And I'm sure there's one that will just touch your heart and just get you excited about quilting a quilt along with us. So if you see that quilt, click on the Register tab, sign up, because our Block of the Months do fill up quickly. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.